Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn together how to read a graphical presentation of data. First thing to do while reading a graph is to read the title. So the title of our graph here is Number of COVID-19 confirmed staff at Organization X in the time period 2020 until 2021. The transverse axis that showed the time, our date, here quarter 2, 2020, followed by quarter 3, and so on, going through 2021. Then the longitudinal axis, or the y-axis, that showed the numbers of staff affected. So we have numbers of staff along the time, which is quarterly. Then we have lots of colors. So what are these colors? So we have to read the legend. What are these legends to explain the colors in the graph? First legend here is the blue, HAI, healthcare associated infection, due to contact with the staff. So these are staff affected with COVID-19 as HAI due to contact with other staff within the hospital. Then the red is HAI due to contact with patient. So staff acquired COVID-19 as HAI due to contact with the patient within the hospital. And the green is community acquired infection, which is community acquired COVID among staff, so not within the hospital premises. Then going to the actual graph. Let's say I need to know what are the numbers of COVID affected staff within your organization during quarter 2 2021. So I will go to the y-axis, the x-axis, which is the transverse axis, until quarter 2 2021. You can see here the green is 54, so the community acquired infection is 54, and the one red, which is healthcare associated infection due to contact with patient. So this is how you can explain the data I require. Now, if I asked you along 2020, what are the total number of staff affected with COVID-19? We'll go again through the same axis, transverse axis, to total 2020. You can see here the green community acquired 243, the red HAI contact with patient 22, and the blue HAI contact with the staff within the hospital is 20. Here our graph is talking about central line care bundle in compliance in ICU during the time period 2019 until 2021. The data will be shown as monthly data on the x-axis or transverse axis, and the compliance will be shown in percent on the longitudinal axis. If we look at quarter 2 compliance, we will find that it's 100% as per the data presented here. One more adding factor here that we didn't discuss before, that is the red line. If you look at the legend, you will find the red line is EPGH median. So this is the median of the organization, median compliance. Median actually is the central line that we are comparing ourselves each quarter versus this central line. Our median in EPGH here, the red, is 100%. So we shouldn't go below 100% because this is our median that we will know before as average. The average is different, but anyway, it's the central line that we should compare ourselves to every month and every quarter. So again, the median is to compare, and the data are presented in the black line. Thank you.